There was a big political meeting in Abuja on Thursday night, and it's all about Rivers State. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu brought together two important leaders from the state, Naija and Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), and Wike Fubara, the suspended governor of Rivers State. They have not been getting along for a while, which has caused a lot of problems in the state. After the meeting, both Wike and Fubara said they had agreed to work together for peace and the progress of Rivers State. Wike said, "Today is a good day. We have all agreed to come together and move the state forward." Governor Fubara also said, "Peace is what we need, and we now have it. We will do everything to keep this peace." But not everyone is sure the peace will last. A popular lawyer and activist, NaijaNews, does not believe Wike will change. He posted on Facebook that Wike is not responsible and will still cause problems for Fubara. No matter what agreement is made, Wike will make Fubara's life hard. Wike is an unreasonable man, Deji wrote. Even if he makes a promise, he won't keep it. Many people are watching closely to see if this new peace deal will truly bring calm to Rivers State. Nigerians are waiting patiently to see what will happen next. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.